Welcome, dear students. I missed all of you. Our lesson today is called the mathematical expressions and constant and variable. Let's start with the mathematical expression. In our daily life, we have always used symbols to express our feelings, our needs, and so on. Also, in mathematics, we always use symbols as x, y, and z to express numbers. We have two types of mathematical expressions. The first one is called the numerical expressions, which containing only numbers and operations, such as 7 plus 13. We have 7 and 13 as a numbers and the addition sign. Like 3 times 7, 45 divided by 9, 27 minus 10. All of these are numerical expressions. The second type of mathematical expression is called the symbolic expression, which containing numbers, symbols, and operations, such as x plus 3. X is a symbol plus the operation and 3 is the number. Also like y minus 2, 2 times l, and z divided by 4. Note number 1, 2y means 2 times y, or 2 multiplied by y. Why we can write it in this form? Because the multiplication sign can be invisible or hidden. Note number 2, x over 3, we can read it as x divided by 3. Note number 3, 3z plus 5 means 3 times z. As we said before, the multiplication sign is invisible, plus 5. Also, we have another important rules or important notes. The symbolic expression of the double of number x is 2x. Double means twice. The symbolic expression of the 3 times of number y is 3y. The symbolic expression of half of number z is 1 over 2z or z over 2. The symbolic expression of the third of number m is 1 over 3m or m over 3 or m divided by 3. Now, let's open our school book on page 27 to solve some exercises. Let's start with the first one. Complete using a suitable symbolic expression. Letter A. Add 6 to the number x. The symbolic expression is add means the addition sign or plus. So the symbolic expression will be x plus 6. Letter B. Subtract 3 from the number y. In this exercise or in subtraction exactly, we must start from y. We start from y. So the symbolic expression is y, then subtract 3 or minus 3. Letter C, multiply 5 by the number z. The symbolic expression is 5z. As we said before, the multiplication sign is invisible. Excellent. Divide the number m by 3. The symbolic expression is m over 3, or can I write it like m divided by 3? Yeah. Okay. In page 28, let's solve exercise number 2. Letter A. Subtract 5 from the double of the number y. In subtraction, I said you must to start from double of number y. What is the meaning of double of number y? It means 2y. Then subtract 5 or minus 5. Letter B. Add 7 to 3 times of the number z. What is the meaning of 3 times? It means 3z plus 7. Letter C. Subtract 3 from the half of the number x. He already wrote the half of number x means 1 over 2x. Then subtract 3, it means minus 3. The last one is add 6 to the third of the number z. Third of number z means 1 over 3z. Add means plus 6. Let's go to page 28 also, but exercise number 3. In exercise number 3, complete letter A. Saeed has LEX and his father gave him LE8. How much will Saeed have? Saeed have or has, LEX. Okay, his father gave him LE8. Give him means plus. Yes. So the answer will be x plus 8. Letter B. The length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than its width. Let the length be L centimeter. Then the width will be how many centimeters? If we consider that the length equal L and the width equal W, he told me that the length of the rectangle is 3 centimeters more than the width. So we can say that the length equal width plus 3, more than it means plus. Or we can say that the width equal length minus 3, or the width equal length less than 3. Let's go to school book, page 33, exercise number 1. Choose the right answers. Letter A. The side length of an equilateral triangle is L and its perimeter is P. The mathematical relation between P and L is... In this exercise, he tells me that the triangle is equilateral. What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? It means the 3 sides are equal. If I know that the one side is L, so the perimeter will be L plus L plus L. Perimeter means the sum of the outlines. What's the meaning of L plus L plus L? It means 3L. Letter B. The length side of a rhombus is X and its parameter is P. The mathematical relation between B and X is, in the rhombus, we know that the four sides also are equal, like the square. If I know that the side length is X and we have four equal sides, so the parameter will be the sum of the outlines. It means X plus X plus X plus X. Or it means 4X. Excellent. Letter C. If the sum of two numbers X and Y is 20, then Y equal what? In this exercise, he told me that sum means plus, so X plus Y equal 20. I need to calculate Y only. Y only. So Y will be 20 minus X. I will subtract X from the 20 to be 20 minus X. The last exercise, X and Y are two numbers. The greater number is 3 more than the other. I have two numbers, X and Y. The greater one is more than the other. If the smaller number is Y, then X will be the greatest one. And the greatest one or the greatest number is more than the other. So X will be Y, then added to it 3 to become Y plus 3. In the same page, page 33, we will solve exercise number 3 and 4. Exercise number 3. Write down the mathematical relation between X and Y. If the number X is 9 more than the double of Y. What is the meaning of double of Y? It means 2Y. Then it's 9 more than. So X will be 2Y plus 9. Exercise number 4 and the last exercise in our session today. Medhat bought X kilogram of chocolate and put it in a box that cost LE5. The box cost LE5. This is the price of the box. Calculate what Medhat should pay in terms of X if the price of 1 kilogram of chocolate is LE28. In this exercise, we need to know that Medhat bought X kilogram of chocolate. The price of 1 kilogram, only 1 kilogram, is 28. So the price of X kilograms of chocolate will be 28 times X. Or can I write it as 28X because the multiplication sign is invisible? Yes, I can. Then I need to add the price of the box. So the total money or the money paid will be 28X, the price of the chocolate, plus 5, the price of the box. And the final expression will be 28X plus 5. Dear students, don't forget our homework. Our homework today will be booklet, page 18, 19, 20, and 21. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.